Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to share YouTube playlists with friends. Here are the steps to share a YouTube playlist with friends on your mobile device. First, open the YouTube app, then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Go to the playlist section, tap the playlist to view your playlist. Select the playlist you want to share by tapping on it. So I'll choose this 3D animation. Tap the edit playlist, the pencil icon. Then on visibility, if needed, to make it public. Then hit save. Tap the share icon, usually an arrow or three dots, the share. Choose a sharing method. For example, WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, or copy link. If you copy the link, paste it into a message or post. Tap send or post, depending on the app you're using. Your friend can now click the link to view your playlist. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.